Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Evernote for Smart Note organization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.evernote.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Sign Up for Free button. You will be directed to the registration form. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a strong password that you can remember. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in your details, click the Create Account button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a verification email from Evernote. Click on the verification link in that email. Once verified, return to the Evernote website. You may be prompted to log in again with your email and password. After logging in, you will see a welcome screen. Take a moment to explore the interface. You can choose to set up your first notebook right away. To create a notebook, click on the Notebooks tab. Then click on the New Notebook button. Name your notebook and click Create. Next, click on the New Note button to start jotting down ideas. Use the text editor to write or add files and images as needed. Explore other features, like tagging and organizing notes for better management. Familiarize yourself with the sidebar for easy navigation. Consider downloading the Evernote app for your mobile device. This allows you to access your notes on the go. Now you're ready to start organizing your thoughts with Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.